everyone, this is a really quickie video. It's the end of the summer and I had some Tinkerbell's. My Tinkerbell nightlights were so popular that I thought I would do Tinkerbell summer beach party for Labor Day or for the end of the summer. This is all going to be fast forward to music, so enjoy! I still have to organize these lights properly, but I'm going to turn both of these into night lights. I think what I'm going to do is secure the lights around the base so that they're not going to be movable. So they will be on my Etsy store and these won't be movable like this. But I just wanted to show you the lights. Now I'll bring you down for a closer look at the details of the beaches. So I'll bring you in for a close-up on some details. There's one Tinkerbell staring into a shell which has a flower inside. And the water's all like sparkly. This Tinkerbell's looking at a ladybug, or ladybird as we say in England. So that's just a fun end of summer video. Hope you enjoyed them. And these will be on my Etsy store as night lights for kid's bedroom. So hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a bit of fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye.